I'm Kim Morton and I'm a consultant with the Center for Strategic Leadership at FMI. FMI got to spend the day with Russ Becker from API Group, Tom Scarangello from Thornton Tomasetti, and Atul Kanzode from DPR Construction, where we talked about what does it take to be an innovative leader in this industry. Each of them have led innovation in different ways. They view innovation as different things and different approaches in the industry and different ways to win. And they also learned from each other throughout the day based on some of the conversations that we had together. The first part of the series really talked around the traits that we saw in these leaders and what it takes to be a great leader in the innovation area. The second part of this series really focuses on the lessons learned that Russ, Tom, and Atul discussed throughout the conversation. Some of it was around mistakes that they made when they led innovative initiatives. Others were around insights that they gained and things that they would do differently and things that they've taught their next generation as they've passed the baton in different areas of innovation, as well as general ideas that they have moving forward that they would do differently based on past experiences. During this conversation, we heard 4 different lessons learned emerge from Russ, Atul, and Tom that we thought some other leaders in the industry might be able to benefit from hearing about if they are either currently leading innovation or they plan to lead an innovative initiative sometime soon in the future. The first lesson learned that we heard was around challenging assumptions with a curious mind, being open to different ideas, open to positive and negative assumptions that might be coming around a new idea or a new concept, and really trying to understand what that means from a curious standpoint and not necessarily a cynical standpoint or a defensive standpoint. The second lesson learned was around really being clear on what your vision is as an organization and understanding what your innovative strategy is first, and then understanding what opportunities are right for your company. It's easy to chase the wrong opportunities if you don't understand what your vision is and what you're trying to achieve in terms of innovation in the first place. They can also learn that innovation happens all over the place. It's not just a CEO or a COO or any executive who's leading innovation. In different cultures like at API Group and Thornton Tomasetti and DPR, everyone is empowered to lead innovation in their own way. And it's up to you, if you are a leader or someone who's an employee in your company, to start asking questions and to learn from these other leaders and the peers around you to understand when they've led innovation or they've been a part of an innovative process, what have they learned and what would they do differently? Those are the conversations that will really traject your company into a different area in terms of innovation and ideas and possibly new horizons.